Beautiful plants. Wow, look at this. We're getting a lot of rain here in Fresno lately.
And I thought that this is cabbage because it started crawling. See that in there?
Oh, I see. Vegetables.
I kept saying, and then sunflower seed is growing in the wintertime.
That's what's happening right now. Strange weather, strange things, strange fruit. Okay.
This is broccoli. I never seen it come out like this before.
More
Those are mustard
strangeness.
greens. The little babies planted those mustard stuff.
These are so pretty.
And these, yeah, I gotta get out of here. Yeah, I think these are cabbage. See how they're curling up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are cabbage.
I'm definitely getting some cabbage. These all look really nice though.
You're gonna trip out when you see this.
Wow. Wait a minute. Ooh, that is just beautiful.
Purple.
Excuse me. That's a purple broccoli?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower? Oh my gosh.
Ain't that pretty?
That is beautiful. Look at Yams right there.
Ain't that pretty?
That's just fantastic.
Come out the house and look at that.
I'm trying to tell you.
This number make you smile.
It does.
It actually makes me happy.
I know, right? I totally get it. Yeah. Of the potatoes?
Potatoes. So these grow underground.
Mm-hmm.
That's a special fork. There's one right there.
Wow.
Forks for this. I thought I brought it home.
I know the kind you're talking about, and I just took it out of my car because I had it in my car too. I always keep something in my car just in case I need to knock somebody out. You cannot be too careful.
I don't know how deep they are in the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they're really deep.
Right.
But this is good to see the worms in here.
Yeah, I do.
They're
It's one somewhere because I see the thing. I see the tip of it. You see it? Yeah, right there.
So I just cut it off.
We got to get that one out now that you cut it off. There it is. Wow. Yeah. I'm going to take that one home. Can I take that one home? Or are you going to cook it?
Oh, you can cook it.
Okay.
So this is what it comes from here.
Right. I see one right there.
Oh, you do?
Right there.
Let me see.
It's right up under where that little orange tip right there. See?
Oh, yeah.
It's two of them. Wow. Ooh, yes. It's three of them. Wow. You need some gloves?
No, I'm trying to.
They're hard to come up out, huh?
Yeah, they're stuck together.
Oh, okay. Hold on, I think I might have some gloves in the car. You got real potatoes in here, man.
No, I'm fine.
Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna use these and make me some candied yams. Wow.
Now these have been in here since last March.
Are you serious?
Yeah. This is some good stuff too. You got
Man.
worms.
Yeah, that's creepy crawl. I can't do creepy crawl. I'll be done jumped so high, man.
They fertilize the ground.
I know. I appreciate that. Just don't get on me.
Bless her with these. We want to thank Mother Nature, thank the Creator for giving us the soil, for growing our sweet potatoes for the nourishment of our body. Some of you may think that this, what is the big deal? Well, the big deal is that this is organic. You see the roots and things that's on the sweet potato. And this is beautiful. We planted, the Freedom School kids planted these sweet potatoes here. I believe it was, if I'm correct, I believe it was one slip like this. One slip like this, and they're all underground here. And so we'll be able to dig these up here pretty soon. Next year, we're gonna plant at least a half an acre of sweet potatoes. Next year, Lord's willing. I'm still here in California and still alive, but this is God creation right here.
Yes,
and
indeed.
this is what the ancestors, is what our ancestors did day in and day out, farming on plantations. But we just thank God for their spirits and that it's still here with us today. And this is beautiful.
It is.
Look at that right there, sweet potatoes, beautiful. Organic, right out of the ground. Just dug these up here about, 3 minutes ago. And so you see here that there were more baby sweet potatoes here was trying to grow, but they're not going to make it this year because we want to go ahead and dig them all up because we don't want this to be, we don't want the sweet potatoes to rot into the ground. So share this with your friends and family. Those of you who want to purchase more mustard greens, let me know. We appreciate the support. We're shipping food all over the country right now to different folks.
Drop my phone in the water, I'll be sick. Oh, okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, I just want to show you guys that, and we're gonna give these sweet potatoes a new home. All right, this is Dr. Farmer Harris, founder of Fresno Freedom School. Go ahead and share this with the world. We appreciate your support. We love you all.
And here we are. I am going to go ahead now and show you the recipe for my candied yams. I'm coating my potatoes in some sea salt. Arranging in my baking dish. And now to go ahead and add my ingredients, I'm using some dark brown sugar, some baker's sugar or granulated sugar. I have some nutmeg and Saigon cinnamon, a mixture of vanilla extract and butter extract. I have my maple syrup, in my lemon zest and my ginger. I'm using fresh ginger. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. in my pot. Moving over to my stove, I have half a stick of butter. So that would be 4 ounces. And I'm adding my ingredients. I'm adding in some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Bringing my pot to a boil, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it to my potatoes. Into the oven these will go until they are nice and tender. And here we go. Compliments of Fresno Freedom School.